I wiped it off. I'm putting it back in. As you can see, we're golden.
There we go. There we go.
See that gold color?
Not bad.
Let's see if there's any metal flakes. Maybe, or it's just fuzz. It might just be. Don't even smell like gas.
Oh, why'd you taste it?
I didn't.
Okay.
Oh, we're golden. We're golden.
$800 off of Facebook Marketplace. Yep. Yeah, dump that water out. Mine's still frozen. It's getting kind of melty.
Oh no.
What?
Give me the phone, hurry.
It's recording.
There's a massive gas leak. Aw. Man, I just put $10 in this thing, man. So that's a problem. I can fix it. Oh no, we gained some gasage.
Did we? Okay.
I don't feel like $10 worth, but
Right, no, probably not.
a lot was leaking.
Yeah.
It was just going. Troop, 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 troop.
Really?
What's wrong with my drugs?
I know, both of them. The hell?
I don't know why. Break. Whoa. Whoa.
Whoa!
That one dude that's just sitting there smiling.
It was
I just bring joy to the people of Lansing, Michigan.
right.
Like Batman, but for joy,
But for joy.
not for justice. Oh, it's just tail tap that damn
Sign? Yeah.
Yeah, this thing drives on normal roads. Here we go,
Really.
brothers.
What up, neighbor? Yeah, I know.
I wanted his attention and he ignored me.
Oh.
Oh, these are the deer hunting grounds. Deer hunting grounds.
know.
Wonder what it means if my battery is over halfway charged. Because usually I think everything's supposed to stay at halfway. Ooh, Jesus.
We almost hit that tree.
We almost hit that concrete post. I forget how long this bed is. So much more connected in my silver truck because it's like with that topper, it just feels like
A full
one thing. But
vehicle.
with this, I literally just see like none of the bed. And it just blends in because it's just all white.
Here's the view we're looking at, guys.
And it's so brand new that it just blends in so well because the white is just such brand new paint.
Yeah.
And it just matches the snow.
It's perfect, honestly.
Basically snow. I'm gonna name this bitch Snow White.
Whoa. Hey, makes it a chick.
Or should I name it Cocaine? Alright, I'm gonna hit a nice connection here. We're gonna get started off. This is how you drift, people.
Alright.
Starting off, we're slowly adding gas to the pedal and we can feel the drift in motion, so we steer counterclockwise. The truck starts going this way a little bit, I'm gonna steer the other way a little bit. Whoa.
Whoa. And here's the end result.
Okay, here, let me, no, this is the end result.
She is so quiet. She's polite.
She's just like,
Yeah, it's very polite. Gonna go get her in a few hours.
that's a maple tree.
Whoa.
And this right here, this is a Chinese oak tree.
How do you know?
And this right here, this is a tree.
Just staring like speeding. Wow, wow. Woo!
Lights will keep going about it.
Not him sitting and watching.
Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Tires are slightly deflated, so they could take a light bump.
All right.
See, if they were hard, it would have been a solid.
Yeah.
Hey, neighbor. Try to cough. This could be like my morning thing.
Drifting.
A couple of things over here. Definitely think I need a ball joint.
Here's your down sign. Look at that.
Yeah, someone smoked that.
Yeah.
I want me now.
This house is beautiful. Whoa.
Let me get you a better view here.
It's so gorgeous.
See that view? There we go.
I love it. Okay, now back to drifting.
Have to stay focused. Something just made a metal clinky noise.
Is it that noise?
Okay.
And we're back onto pavement. What is that?
We're gonna get her home.
Ew. Boop, 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 boop.
Tokyo City Drift in America.
Pretty complete.
That was a pretty good test, I would say.
Yep.
For an $800 truck, I would have expected it to break by now. All right,
Test number 2.
leave it. Gotta do it. Fucking butter. Let me give her a rev.
Okay. Seems pretty good.
This Mr. Trooper. I think she's gonna make it to a test number 2. We're gonna turn her off and check the oil.
Alright.
Be back. Hell yeah, brother.
Hell yeah, brother. Hell yeah,
These
brother.
American roads, Tokyo drifting in America.
Oh.
Watch this shit.
Wow.
Oh shit, brother. Oh shit. Oh, there's a person.
Yep, yep. We'll be safe around people.
And then I'll just this fucking sideways.
Holy shit.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, yeah.
What?
Yeah, bye.
We're out of here. Oil pressure, good. Gas, low. We're not overheating. We have battery. I'm gonna go around the block. Shit, brother.
This is like demure. Sophisticated.
Oh, hello. Hello, neighbor. Oh my goodness.
We're going crazy.
Oh,
Wow.
hello. Very demure.
Very demure, very cutesy. Hello, neighbor. Oh, magic fingers. We're on Gay Lane. Okay.
Looking at me. Okay, stop looking at me. We're good. It's pretty fine. Kind of watching. I think it's because it's so quiet.
I agree.
Just take your roads. Okay, it's something.
Look at the dog. How cute. Alright, let's hit this shit. set
this
the
thing
plan.
lasts today without overheating, I'm gonna daily drive it so I can fix my other truck. That's it. Get out, my wheels just like.
It suck.
Get this. Alright. It's the silent drifter.
It makes it feel like a very gentle drift, like in your big truck.
If drifting sounded like this, I feel like it would be legal.
Right, yeah. Snowplows have been through on this road.
Shit.
Oh, what are these? This one's naughty. I like this one. Carson, stop.